everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting developments in cryptocurrency, Pi Network. In an era where technology is evolving faster than ever, cryptocurrency is no longer just a concept for tech enthusiasts. It's becoming part of everyday life. But while Bitcoin and Ethereum have dominated headlines, many young people find them too complex or expensive to start with. That's where Pi Network comes in. This revolutionary project is designed to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, especially the youth, and to guide them towards the future of decentralized finance. And Pi Network is a cryptocurrency project still in its development stage, but it's already making waves. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, Pi can be mined easily through a mobile application, without expensive hardware or high electricity costs. This unique approach allows anyone with a smartphone to participate in the crypto revolution. Users can mine Pi coins daily just by opening the app and pressing a button. Yes, it's that simple. What makes Pi Network truly revolutionary is its focus on the youth. By removing technical barriers and creating a mobile-friendly experience, it's encouraging a new generation to explore cryptocurrency, blockchain, and digital finance. Most cryptocurrencies require specialized mining hardware, high electricity consumption, or technical know-how, making participation difficult for beginners. Pi Network, on the other hand, uses a mobile-first approach. You don't need a powerful computer or any expensive mining equipment. All you need is your phone and a few minutes a day. Plus, Pi Network is community-driven. With millions of members worldwide, users can connect, collaborate, and learn about cryptocurrency together. This creates a strong sense of entrepreneurship and innovation, especially among young people eager to be part of the crypto revolution. Getting started with Pi Network is simple. Here's how. 1. Download the Pi Network app on your mobile device. 2. Create your account using an invite code. You can use ours, H0ZO2XLI. 3. Open the app daily and press the mining button to earn Pi coins. 4. Participate in the community to grow your network and increase your mining potential. Even if you're new to cryptocurrency, Pi Network makes it easy to start your journey without any financial risk. It's a perfect introduction for anyone curious about blockchain, tokens, and digital finance. And Pi Network is not just about mining coins, it's about transforming the future of payments. Traditional financial systems often exclude many people due to high fees, limited access, or complicated banking processes. Cryptocurrencies like Pi aim to empower individuals, giving them control over their money and financial transactions. With Pi Network, users can participate in a decentralized economy where transactions are secure, transparent, and fast. This is especially valuable for youth in developing countries, where access to banking may be limited, but mobile phones are common. Another powerful feature of Pi Network is its community focus. Millions of members around the world discuss ideas, share knowledge, and collaborate on projects related to cryptocurrency and blockchain. This global network of young innovators is shaping the next generation of digital finance. By participating, users not only earn Pi coins, but also gain valuable experience in entrepreneurship, technology, and finance. If you haven't started mining Pi yet, now is the perfect time. Pi is still in its development stage, meaning early participants have the chance to maximize their rewards as the network grows.
Use our invite code H0ZO2XLI and join the millions of young people already exploring the cryptocurrency revolution. By starting now, you'll not only earn Pi coins, but also gain experience in a technology that is shaping the future of money.
Pi Network is more than a cryptocurrency. It's a movement that empowers youth, promotes financial freedom, and introduces a new era of decentralized payments. So, what are you waiting for? Download the app, start mining, and be part of this exciting revolution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cryptocurrency, blockchain, and the future of finance.